Hi guys, welcome to a new video here at Sublime Traders. I'm Logical Orange, and in today's video we are going to try to decode what happened to Bitcoin and where it can go from now on. Is it a good move to enter now? Maybe we should wait. Let's see that. Let's go to the charts.
We gon' make sure you never miss a trade again. Watch how you get paid over and over again. Account management, be careful how you spend.
So I'm here with the 4-hour time frame for Bitcoin USDT on Binance. And as we can see, we have a Fibonacci level that I have traced starting at the beginning of this trend at $18,700 and ending at the highest high we have had recently. We have tried to break the top of this highest high. We didn't manage, and we find ourselves rejecting at the 0.618 in this area. So this whole area, I have traced a special Fibonacci retracement for this area because I think it is very important to stay local on our charts. So right now what we can see, the drop has happened in 2 candles 4 hourly. So one candle has tried to reject at the pivot. It has failed because the pivot was not as strong as it should have been. And the second candle, basically the second candle represents the second wave of orders that people try to put as a long in this area. So right here, let me just mark it. Right here, people entered longs and they obviously just stop loss just below it. So the market pushed the price down and the stop losses were executed, thus creating this long wick right here. So this long wick right here was really liquidations. So this is liquidations. Right now the candle just moved up with the price and has formed what seems to be a reversal candle right here. So a hammer candle. Right now we can suppose that the price, so we started here, it went right here, and now we can suppose that the price will go back up. But can we enter now? This is the question. So before I answer this question, should we enter now? Should we wait? Let me show you the Ethereum chart, which has some more details. As we know, Ethereum is very, very correlated right now with Bitcoin. But on Ethereum, I have managed to spot 2 trend lines, which indicate some more upcoming price action possibilities. So right now, as you can see, I have managed to trace, also on the 4-hour chart, I've managed to trace a descending trend line, which is based on these candles right here and the current price action and rejections. I always base my trend lines on full bodies because they actually represent the close of the candle. And also with an ascending trend line that we can see right here, and this ascending trend line has 3 points. It touches the price, so at the beginning of the whole trend, right here, and at the current price point. So when we look at the Ethereum price right now, we can see it is kind of stuck in between 2 trend lines, a descending one and an ascending one. The only difference with Bitcoin right here in this formation, I have the same Fibonacci retracement traced right here, so locally. The only difference is that right now I am under the 0.618. I consider the 0.618 and the 0.382 being symmetrical, so I consider them as equal in power. So right now these are symmetrical. Right now the price is just below this level and can still continue to move downwards. So let's go back to the BTC chart and see what we can do. So I'm back again with the 4-hour chart on Bitcoin, and as you can see, I have added another tool to my chart, and this is the VPVR, or the fixed range indicator, which takes the volume of the historical candles, flips it, and adds it vertically to the chart, as we can see right here. What this does is it indicates with the red line the value area high. So right here we have had the high value area or high value range. Right here, this red line can act as a support or as a resistance. And what can we see right here? It also is very close with the 0.786 Fibonacci level. So the answer to should I enter now or wait, for me is pretty clear. I should wait. Why? Because I don't have a good risk reward ratio if I want to enter now. My first take profit, or my only take profit that I can see realistically here, is at around this area, and it's blocked. Okay, and my stop loss should be below the pivot and below the 0.618. So if we just look at it right now, I can plot the trade if you want. We can see that the trade is really bad. We have a 0.72 risk reward ratio. For me, this is a no trade. So my answer to this is you should wait. What for? Well, we need the price close above the 0.786, and our first take profit would be at around the highest high right here. Our stop loss would be just below it, so the trade would look a bit like this, just leaving a bit of headroom for the price to close right here. Ideally, it closes just above the important support and resistance level. But sometimes it just pumps, and when it just pumps, you have two choices. Either you stay out of the trade or you scalp. If you scalp, basic instruments like risk reward ratio and traditional trading really don't play well with this type of trading. So scalping is another deal. We have talked about it in other videos. For now, let's just focus on what should we do right now. So if the price closes just above this level right here, we can just take a profit at this highest high and stop loss below it at about this area. But if the price gets here and rejects, well, then we get a confirmation that the price will retest the 0.618, and we should wait some more. On the lower part of the chart, you can see the Sublime wave indicator, which is an indicator that we offer to all our users. And right now, we can see that the waves that we had right here, so the waves are two waves which are formed by two indicators, a lagging indicator and a leading indicator. And by overlaying the two of them, we have kind of a neutral indicator. And right now we can see that we are descending. The yellow area right here is the VWAP, which is volume average weighted price, and it is also descending. So these indicators, this one, the VPVR and the Fibonacci level, tell me that I should wait right now. First thing we should do as traders is to preserve capital. This is very important for us. This is more important than taking profit in a risky manner. There's a time to go long, there's a time to go short, and there's a time to go fishing. In what regards Ethereum and BTC, so the two major coins, right now we should go fish for a while and see what happens if the price really reverses. And in the meantime, there are a lot of alts that will pump. Today we have had PSG and JUV, so two coins that are related to football clubs, Paris Saint-Germain and Juventus. These two coins today exploded. These are just two examples. I do not condone trading them right now. We do not know what will happen. They can dump as well as they have pumped. But there will be other coins that will pump in the meantime. So don't rush into Bitcoin right now. We don't know what will happen. We have seen the pluses and the minuses of a trade right now. So let's just wait a bit. This is all for today. Thank you for watching. This is Logical Orange for Sublime Traders. And if you want to know more about us, just join us on our Telegram group. And if you want to like on the video, if you did like it, please, it's highly appreciated. Thank you and happy trading.